My name is Parvat Pokhrel and I'm currently studying at Southern Cross University. I'm studying network management and troubleshooting. For session 2 year 2020, my student ID is 23673760, and today as a part of my assignment, I'll showing you how to configure a network for organization and monitor it using network appliance. So let me share my screen with you guys. So as you can see, this is my network configuration. I have my Sydney headquarters here with a router, switch, and a PC. I have a branch network here with a router, switch, and PC. So both of the networks are connected to a PC, and then it's connected to our ZABBIX router, which is also the default gateway for our ZABBIX appliance. And let me show you how I can ping my Sydney headquarters with other branches as well as the ZABBIX. So to ping ZABBIX, I'm going to use its IP address, ping 192.168.56.100. Okay, that's how I'm going to ping my branch network from Sydney headquarters network. I'll also show you how I have configured all the devices with SNMP. So that let's go for display. As you can see, for the Sydney router, I have assigned the read view as a community password, and the SNMP agent is version 2. Those are my ports. So, and the interfaces. I've done route RIP version 2 protocol to router RIP my Sydney network as well. I'm pinging ZABBIX router right now, so that I can show that I am able to transfer data from and through this router with the ZABBIX router. My IP address for ZABBIX Appliance by using command IP add. You can see I've used 192.168.56.101 as my IP address for the ZABBIX appliance, and let me ping you my ZABBIX router with from the appliance. So my ZABBIX default router is 192.168.56.100. So you can see I can transfer my data from ZABBIX appliance ctrlc to create the command. Now I'll show you how I configured all the devices, and I can monitor those devices using snmp walk command. I install the snmp walk command by downloading it first and putting the network adapter at NAT. Also, I can use Breeze to download the snmp walk simulation software. To do so, I have used command yum install net snmp utils. With the help of that command, I am able to download the snmp imb browser. Let me show you snmp walk command for my router at the headquarters. Let's see. Review 192.168. So as you can see, those are the simulation that we need to monitor while we're doing a network configuration. So now I'll show you all the total number of inbounds that a router or any other network devices are getting within a second. So for router, I'm using 1. So the if in octets. So this command basically helped me to collect how many data are traveling into the router or into the network per second. So, and similarly to collect the data that are being transferred from the device to any other network or any other networking device, I have to use the command snmp walk -v2c -c read view, that is my community password, and the router I'm going to ping. And basically the command if out octet, let me collect the data that is being transmitted from the network device. So you can see for counter number 32 and counter number 3 and counter number 4, those are the number of outbound that are being transferred from one network device to other network device. Similarly, now I'll show you this, the speed of our MIB simulation. So that's 1 billion nanoseconds. Now I'll show you how we will be monitoring it using ZABBIX. Go into the ZABBIX software and open up my website. So I can start with the IP address in the browser 192.168.153.0, and the password for my username, login username is admin, and the password for my login is ZABBIX. So you can see I have monitored, that's how I'm monitoring my SNMP network devices. You can see the network devices are turned green so that they are SNMP configured. If I get into branch router, I'm able to, if you ping from the ZABBIX, I'm able to ping everything from the ZABBIX. So that's how my ZABBIX front end basically looks. And the template is, that's how I put my template is net WIPRP simulation network. All right, so that's how I configured it, organizes the network and configured using SNMP software. And using the ZABBIX Appliance, I can monitor the data and information being transmitted from and to the network devices. And using those parameters, I can calculate the baseline for the bandwidth. So that's how I calculated the bandwidth in my assignments. Hope you liked this video. Thank you so much.